Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm arriving here at Mark's. So today's video is kind of like a little bit of the operation, a little bit of the process of the morning. So let's go ahead and find out. All right everyone, so we're back here at Mark's shop, and we're gonna go check it out. I know Mark called me here to film some stuff, so we're gonna find out right now. Let's go ahead and get this started. Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's
My
up,
name's
bro?
David.
David
Too?
David
Oh, shoot. How are they? Tocayos, right? They call when you have different, same name, sorry. All right, well, I see your shirt says RGB auto chip repair?
Yeah, absolutely. So
Okay.
what I do is mobile rock chip repair.
Okay.
You know, it's on valley-wide.
Yeah.
My number's at 956-498-7249.
Okay.
You guys need a rock chip repair on your windshield?
Yeah.
Feel free to give me a call, man. I'll come to you.
Okay. And then, so you said you're mobile. Also, okay. And then are you like, do you have your shop or?
No, I'm strictly mobile.
Strictly mobile, okay.
So yeah, so
You're available.
Get a rock chip on the way to work.
Yeah.
Give me a call.
Okay.
I'll show up to your work and I'll fix it for you before it runs. You know, you gotta catch it before it runs.
Yeah, for sure, because once it runs, it kind of compromises the whole windshield. You have to replace it, basically.
Especially with the heat.
Yeah, especially with the heat. Well, that's good to know, man. I mean, definitely, I'm pretty sure I'll be using your services for sure.
Yes.
I have my truck right now has some chips, so I should take care of them before they run.
Absolutely. I'll be happy to help you.
All right, bro. I just want to ask you a question. Do you come here often to Mark's shop?
Yeah, I come here all the time. Me and Mark, you know, we grew up since we were kids. We went to school together.
It's elementary.
Elementary.
Well, no, not Dr. Cash, pero puro BC.
Oh, shoot. What do we see?
So yeah, I visit him often, and
Cool.
I work here. I mean, I work throughout the whole valley.
Throughout the whole valley.
In my business.
Nice. Okay, so then I'll probably be seeing you quite often, right?
Yeah, I was just in the
Hey,
area,
and
so
it
I'll
does
stop
come
by.
in. It does come in handy. I'm gonna mention that the expressways here in the valley, they have so many rocks, and you always constantly get a rock chip. So that'll be pretty good service. And I'll put the information here, so that we all can contact him and get a hold of him.
It's a pretty straightforward install, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
you get the two bolts from on top,
Yep.
and then you drop this bracket down, bro, and you get the rest of the bolts from the transmission to the motor, you know.
To the motor, yeah.
And then you have the hydraulic line that goes to the slave cylinder.
Oh yeah, that's
You
right.
pop that little clip out, and there's a couple of connectors on this transmission for the speedo and for the reverse light and stuff.
Yeah.
Remove these O2
O2
sensors.
sensors.
And then put the stock shifter.
Yeah.
There's two brackets. You remove those, and this thing slides right out, bro.
Nice, dude.
Yeah,
it sounds easy.
Yeah. Oh, yesterday, you know.
Oh, you guys were. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was. I mean,
I missed it.
it was a 3.5 hour process.
Yeah.
And
so
then,
usually, 3.5 hours. Nice.
My
That's crazy.
transmission jack doesn't go all the way to the top no more, so we had to drop the lift.
Oh,
so I'm gonna have to
shoot.
replace
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, because that'll save a lot of time if it's working properly. You don't have to be messing with,
That
dropping the lift
thing,
and
I've had that
crouching.
thing forever, bro.
Yeah.
I've had that thing forever. And
Crazy,
yeah, I
crazy.
already gave out.
Yeah.
But that 3 valve that's outside, the black
Yeah.
one.
Let's go ahead and check
Yeah, we
that
got the
out.
parts, but it's in the Corvette. It's in the,
All right. Cool.
We got the
Cool.
rods, the crank.
Yeah. Let's go check that out. All right, Mark. What do you got? Hey, and I forgot you have the Corvette, dude.
Yeah, I have a bit. Well, actually, I bought it for my daughter.
Yeah.
Well, my wife did.
Yeah.
Nothing's under my name. It's all my wife. So check it out. We get the crank, boom.
Nice.
It's a stroker crank.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 4.6 to a 5.0
Oh,
stroker.
shoot. Yeah.
And then we have the connecting rods there.
Connecting rods to MMR
And then we have the bearings in here.
bearings.
And it's
Cool.
for that 09 Mustang that's over there.
For the black one right there, that 3-valve.
And
So
that red one, SNS and Mercedes
yeah.
is doing the motor right now. They're building his 4.6 long block. So we're waiting for that one.
Okay.
But I just want to let everybody know that we are dealers for Luis Ortiz.
Yes.
Even though he's not here no more, we're in contact every day, bro.
Yeah.
So
All right. So yes, we want to reiterate that. So Ortiz does still work along with Mark, and he is the dealer for the tunes here. So go ahead.
yeah, we're a dealer for Luis Ortiz.
Yes.
So
Sorry.
we do on-site tuning or remote tuning.
Yes.
We could also log your vehicles here
Yes.
at our shop. So just don't forget that. It hasn't slowed down. I mean, we have work.
Yeah,
We have
definitely.
constant work every day. I'm
Constant.
getting calls and stuff for tunes and stuff.
Yeah.
But they also sell performance parts for your Mustangs, your EcoBoost
Yes.
vehicles.
With Ortizperformance
on his website.
Yes, if you want to check out Ortizperformance on Facebook, and I'll leave that link down in the description box below as well. for that, so you guys can check him out. Also, real quick, Luis is now cooking. He's Senor BBQ. So
yeah. His YouTube channel.
yeah, his YouTube channel. So I'll link that channel down below as well, and I'll have it on the description box below. Senor BBQ. He actually does cook pretty good, right?
Yeah, he makes his own sausage.
Yeah, I've tried out some of the recipes that he does, kind of, and I mean, I'm not like a cook like him, but he makes some pretty fire.
He's
pretty
turned
fire
cooking
food.
into an art form, bro.
Yeah.
He dedicates his life to that.
It looks good.
When he's not tuning, he's barbecuing.
He's barbecuing.
And when he's not barbecuing, he's learning recipes to try more barbecue tricks.
Yeah, exactly.
And I've had the opportunity to eat some of his brisket. The other day he made that expensive brisket combo. That
I can't remember.
the Wu-Tang or Wu-Tang. No, not Wu-Tang. It's a
Bootleg?
Bootleg, the expensive brisket, bro. They sell from China.
I can't remember, bro. But yeah.
They massage the cows and yeah, they're not.
They go through a spa.
Yeah,
no, I'm just kidding.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
I forget the name of the brisket, but man, dude.
Yeah.
It just melted in your mouth, bro, man. It was awesome.
And I hope he'll sponsor some BBQ at least.
Hey, dude,
or maybe I'll take him the brisket.
Hey,
maybe
that
he'll
brisket is like
sponsor
$700, bro.
Oh shoot! Okay, no, well, I'll take that back. I'll take that back, guys. I won't be getting any of that.
Those are expensive brisket sandwiches.
I have to trade in one of my cars for that. So
check it out, man. My dad's truck.
Yeah, so I was gonna mention to you this. So it's kind of like it's the same F-150 like mine, but of course this one's more fully loaded. It's an FX4 off-road. This does look like it has a different package on it. This is a 23, I think Mark said. So this one has like all the bells and whistles. It seems. Cameras here, nice blacked out here. Finally, Ford changed this to gloss and gloss black wheels right here. And I want you guys to check something out really quick here. This is an EcoBoost as well. Since this is a fully uploaded package, it does have a light when you do the reverse cam. And I want to show you guys the difference of mine and his. So of course mine's the STX package. It's a very base package that you can get. And here we have like my here, this little plastic piece. It's just plastic that goes, it starts getting ugly with the weather and everything. I like how they did the 23s with the gloss. And of course this one comes with the stock wheels. I really haven't done anything to this truck and I don't want to. I like how it drives, just regular, it's all right. And this truck does not have the light like that truck right there has. Yeah, so anyway, this is what a base would look like. Also, I want to mention the exhaust in the back. This one's to the side because this is a 2.7. This one has the exhaust tips pointed back. I'm assuming this is a 3.5, so you get the dual exhaust coming out straight to the back. And I kind of wonder if this is aftermarket because those look like black tips. That was pretty cool. And you can tell this one has the the premium package with the sensors and the light and everything. And I just noticed it also has a camera up there, so I'm pretty sure it has like the 360. Yeah, it does. So you can see the big screen in there, kind of like barely. So I'm assuming this is like fully loaded. This is really nice. Eventually, I did want one of these, but now due to certain circumstances, that's not in the books for now. But it looks pretty cool. Aftermarket antenna and the headlights, of course, blacked out from inside, really nice. And a little touch of black gloss up here in the front, so that's pretty cool as well. Tow hooks, that's really nice. And you got the fog lights, the LED ones that the premium packages have. So it looks really nice truck for sure. Check that out. I'll zoom out a little bit. What is this guy's name, Mark?
Greaser.
Greaser.